what's up guys? This is Mika. So today, I'll show you kung ano yung mga 5 things na hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala. First, ang pinakauna siguro is sunscreen. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang walang sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from aging and the sun. Next is eye drop. Kasi lagi ako pumipikit and sobrang dry ng mata ko lagi. So, hindi ko kayang mawala ang aking eye drop. Next is lip balm or any moisturizing lip product. Hindi ko kaya mawala kasi hindi ko kaya yung sobrang crack yung lips. Next is pang-apat na to. Ayan, pabango. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang walang pabango or hindi ko kayang umalis nang walang pabango or mabaho, ganyan. So, pabango. Then last but definitely not the least, sobrang walang kwenta pero water. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang walang water. You need to stay hydrated. So, stay hydrated everyone.